Beneath every global payment system lies a hidden infrastructure that is now being quietly rebuilt. Nostro and Vostro accounts require banks to pre-fund balances in foreign currencies, which in turn locks up billions in idle capital and slows cross-border payments. Globally, pre-funded Nostro accounts tie up billions in capital that sits idle, earning nothing, simply waiting for transfers that may never be made. ISO 20022 is a global messaging standard with a 2025 deadline. It's transforming bank communications and giving compliant digital assets like XRP a structural edge. Upgrading core payment infrastructure like Fedwire strengthens the system, but without real liquidity and widespread adoption, cryptocurrency prices won't necessarily rise as a result. Only a few cryptocurrencies, including XRP, XLM, XDC, ADA, ALGO, HBAR, QNT, and IOTA, are natively compliant with ISO 2022, giving them a clear path into modern financial messaging infrastructure. In a 2021 paper, the World Bank noted that XRP and Stellar's XLM could serve as viable settlement options for transactions in the $595 trillion global derivatives market. The World Bank observed that digital tokens could reduce intraday collateral requirements and support continuous, round-the-clock settlement, fundamentally reshaping the global movement of value. With more than 1,700 non-disclosure agreements in place, Ripple's entry into global finance isn't a hostile takeover. It's a quiet, strategic shift, gradually reshaping SWIFT's long-standing dominance. SBI Holdings CEO has confirmed that full integration of XRP will be completed by early 2025, positioning Japan as a real-world testing ground for blockchain-based cross-border payments. XRP serves as a bridge currency, enabling cross-border payments to settle in seconds without requiring pre-funded accounts, cutting transfer times from days down to mere moments. XRP, XLM, and XDC aren't competitors. They each serve distinct roles. XRP streamlines bank settlements, XLM advances financial inclusion, and XDC supports trade finance. RLUSD, Ripple's stablecoin, is fully backed by US Treasuries and integrated with the FedNow system, providing stable value to complement the speed of XRP. XDC transforms trade finance by tokenizing real-world assets through partnerships like TFDI to replace slow, paper-based systems with transparent, near-instant settlement. SWIFT is modernizing its infrastructure with the ISO 20022 standard, but it now faces an existential challenge from blockchain-based payment rails like XRP, which offer significantly faster and cheaper transactions. In 2023, a US court ruled that XRP is not a security, a decision that reignited institutional adoption, particularly across Asia and the Middle East. Central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, are now being piloted for wholesale and cross-border transactions, adding a new state-backed layer to the global payments ecosystem. The future of payments won't rely on a single rail. It will be a layered stack of SWIFT, CBDCs, and blockchain networks, each playing its distinct role within a cohesive system. To truly gauge crypto's progress, look beyond price swings. Infrastructure milestones and real-world adoption reveal the actual story of advancement. When assessing real progress in crypto finance, always verify ISO 20022 compliance and rely on named institutional partnerships, not anonymous rumors. The plumbing of money is not being torn out, it's being reconfigured, layer by layer. Those who understand this will lead the next financial era. The World Bank's 2021 paper named XRP and XLM as viable settlement candidates in a $595 trillion derivatives market. Banks in emerging markets often avoid cross-border corridors entirely. That's because maintaining Nostro accounts in low-volume currencies ties up scarce capital with little return. Every pre-funded Nostro account holds billions in idle capital, but bridge assets such as XRP can unlock that liquidity, settling in seconds without needing advance funding. If you're looking for deeper insights into crypto and financial architecture, consider following Douglas J. Boggs on Substack.